If you don't have access to Photoshop or some sort of photo editing software, it might be a struggle to figure out how you can print and cut these digital scrapbooking embellishments with your cutting machine. I started including these print and cut ready files for my scrapbooking collections lately, and today I want to show you how you can use them in Silhouette software. Let's get started. First, we're going to set up our page size. Click on the page setup icon if this panel is not open for you. From media size, choose your paper. For this demonstration, I'll choose letter size. Then, come over to the registration marks panel. Turn on the marks, and for maximum cutting surface, I'll decrease the inset value to the lowest setting. You can set up the thickness of the registration mark to your desired size. Now, let's bring the element print sheet into the software. You'll see this print files folder in my recent elements packs. Open it and open whichever paper size you will print. I'll pick the letter size for this. Drag and drop the file that named print01. The image will be enlarged in Silhouette software, but that's okay. We will fix that. Our document size is 8.5 inch wide. You can see it here in media size box. I'm going to lock the width height ratio by clicking this lock icon and type in 8.5 inch in width box. Hit enter on the keyboard. Now come to the align tool here and click on horizontal align and vertical align buttons. Now the print sheet fits our document size perfectly. This is it for the print file, and now we will work on the cut file. Bring in the matching black Silhouette sheet into the software. We will again decrease its size to 8.5 inch. Align the Silhouette page in the document by clicking on these align icons. And come over to the trace panel. Click on select trace area and draw a rectangle around the Silhouette page. Click on trace button here. Now the cutting lines are created and we don't need the black Silhouette page. Click on it and hit delete button on your keyboard. It's time to print the page. Click the print icon at the top bar. Select your printer from the list. Configure the print settings by choosing your paper type and print quality. Once you printed your page, place the printed paper onto your cutting mat and load it into your Silhouette machine. Now all there is left is to cut it. Come over to Send button at the top right side of Silhouette software. Since we're going to cut these out, select the cut action from the settings if yours is not selected. Choose your paper type and blade settings. Send it to your cutting machine. And that's it. You can find these print and cut ready files in my recent scrapbooking collections. From time to time, I go back and create these files for my older collections as well. So make sure to read the product descriptions to see which ones have the print and cut feature. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.